in this channel, please subscribe. To you, all my subscribers, I appreciate you all. Thank you for your encouragement. I'm nothing without you guys. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to prepare vegetable acha. Thank you. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use to prepare the acha. This one is acha. Meat. Crayfish, fresh crayfish. Fish, I've already removed the bones. Pepper, half. Vivissimi curry is a homemade curry, and 1 cube of Maggi. Fish stock. Fresh tomatoes. Onion. Salt. Grounded crayfish. This is the vegetable I'm gonna use to prepare the acha. Acha is called fonio in English. This vegetable is a combination of different vegetables. You can use a vegetable of your choice. I bought it in Inns. Now it is time to wash the acha. Remember to wash properly. Be careful when washing in order not to waste your acha. You know, acha is a grain. Acha is a very proteinous food. It is rich in minerals, fibers, and is also good for a diabetic patient. Be careful when washing because acha contains a lot of sand inside. Acha is a food well known in West African country. As you can see, I have finished washing my acha. It is time to cook. You first of all pour your fish stock because I'm not frying anything. Fresh tomatoes. Grounded crayfish. Meat. Crayfish. Fresh crayfish. Extra virgin oil. Onion. Fish. Maggi. vivissimic natural curry. Salt. Pepper. And you stir everything together. Close and leave it to boil like 25 minutes. After finish boiling, you pour your acha and you continue to stir it until it is done, because acha rises a lot. Wow, this is gonna be delicious. Have you liked my video? Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. I can't wait to enjoy this acha. If you are cooking for a diabetic patient, please don't add too much salt. Now I'm putting my vegetable. It's not going to be long because I don't want the nutrients to be lost. Wow, my acha is ready.